Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing power to avoid sparks. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Once done, pry out the inner handle cap and remove the 3 visible screws under the armrest and handle. Next, pop out the window switch module and unplug it. Make sure to set screws aside in order. Use a trim tool to release the door card clips around the perimeter, lift the card upward to clear the glass channel, and carefully unplug any speaker or central locking connectors before setting the panel down. With the door card off, peel back the moisture barrier so you can see the actuator and linkage. You need to detach the small plastic clips holding the rods. Push the clip inward and slide the rod free, making sure you remember each rod's orientation. Once the rods are free, remove the actuator mounting screws and pull the actuator out of its bracket. It may need a gentle twist. If you're swapping cylinders, transfer tumblers now. Then fit the replacement actuator into the bracket and loosely reinstall screws to hold it. Once the new actuator is in place, reconnect each linkage rod and push the plastic clips until they snap. This ensures proper movement. Then reconnect the electrical plug, temporarily reconnect the battery negative, and test the lock electrically and with the key to confirm correct travel. After confirming function, disconnect battery, reseat the moisture barrier, reattach the door card, and tighten all screws. If something binds during testing, check rod alignment and clip seating before finalizing. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.